What's going on, YouTube family? In this video, I'm going to show you how I loose lace my Air Max 95s. We have here a FAMU 1887 Yard Runner Air Max 95 that just came out a couple weeks ago. Very nice looking shoe. I will do a review on it later on. I love the colorway. I did not go to FAMU. I am a Miami Hurricanes fan, which has the same colorway, so I'm pretty stoked about that. So normally when people lace Air Max 95s, they normally start through the bottom and lace them all the way up. And that's fine, that's a good look, but it's hard to loose lace them like that because the top lace always comes out undone, especially if you walk on your toes and you move forward like that. So this way, it's a lot better because the laces will not come out. So basically the way we start doing this shoe is we actually started in reverse. So you want to skip the top loop and start with the second loop. And you're going to enter in. And just right there, leave it just like that. Then you're going to take the opposite side. And you're going to do the same thing. And then you're going to match up the tips. And then you're going to pull up. Just like you would normal lacing. Okay. Then you're going to start going down the opposite side. Right there. Don't pull it too tight, leave it a little loose so you have something to work with if you need to adjust them. And you're going to go the other side. Okay. Now on this part, you're going to do the same thing, but you're going to go through here like you would normally lace them. And just go down the other side. Same thing, run it through the same hole, but just on the opposite side. Try not to make them too tight, make them loose. And down this side. And we'll just do this same process all the way down. So basically, before you get to the last loop, you're going to end up with something looking like this. And this might even be a little too tight, so we can just go back and loosen them up. Like I said, you can always adjust if you have to. So you should end up with something looking like this. Now, when you get to this bottom hole, you're gonna run one of the laces through, and then you're gonna run the other lace through the same hole. And you should end up with something like this. Now with these two laces, you're gonna run them all the way up these holes. So at the end, you should end up with something like this, where the lace just hangs down here. I'll do the other side real quick. And that's how the shoe will be looking once done. See, it hangs down on the side. On the other side, it's gonna hang like that. And the good thing about lacing them like this is these will not come out when you're walking. So you can have that lace look with the laces dangling, and the laces will all stay like that. So I also did the other shoe without running them through the middle. And this is how this one looks without running it through the metal hoops, the middle hoops, I'm sorry. Let me know which style you like better. Let me know if you even like this style at all, if you guys do it. Leave your comments down below. Also, if you guys can, I'm trying to grow the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe. It's free, it costs nothing to you. That way I could do more videos, you know, more reviews, you know, more early releases, and maybe even do some lives where I'll give you guys some information on how to cop certain sneakers. So with that being said, thank you once again for watching the video. Peace.